All right, finally leaving the dock. It's a Friday, a little chilly out this morning. Got 2 charters today, back to back, one morning, one afternoon. So gonna head to the fuel dock right now, fuel up, get some ice, pick our customers up, and we'll see how this morning trip turns out. Greg, how you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Wait, Greg.
Mario. Nice to meet you.
All right, let's go. Hop on in.
Ready?
Yep. I got 2 can sit in the front. I got 2 can sit on the cooler, or you can stand. Whatever you want to do, it doesn't matter.
Right. Okay. Ma cosa vuoi fare? Vuoi stare dietro o davanti? 2-2, no? Ah, quello del video, e poi dopo
Yeah, nice and easy. If you're getting on them, yeah, that's good. Fish on, fish on. Is he taking line or are you getting them? You're getting them, huh?
Lo stai prendendo o sta tirando? Capisco se è piccolo o non c'è.
He's there. Reel.
Tira, tira.
Reel. Keep reeling.
Vai, vai, tira. Sta facendo peso morto, tira. No. If there is, it's just a strong guy.
He pulled line out of there. He's going to have some kind of weight to him.
Yeah. I saw him pull him. Guarda che appena arriva qua vicino al barca inizia a tirare le botte di...
Staying on top, too.
È un po' duro, no? Adesso si riporta. Ora tira, guarda come tira.
All right, hang on a second. I'm going to move you back a little bit. Yeah, here, crank, reel. Reel up to this planer, go a little bit. Go. All right, that's good. All right, go. Oh yeah. Right there. Oh, reel. Right there. Oh, damn. Nice. Woo. Look at that, dude.
Non c'è niente. Dio cane!
Oh, bring him in.
Guarda che dentini che ha, Dio cane.
That's a good one, dude.
Io c'ho il braccio, raga, non lo so.
That's sweet. That's a good one.
That's a good fish right there. How much do you think it weighs?
No, he's bigger than 5 pounds.
Oh yeah, that's really huge.
All right, I got him with it.
Bro, gli ho appena detto, secondo me fa qualche secondo che il pesce. E ho fatto il richiamo del wild. Daniel, the call of the wild work.
That is all the wild, bro.
You find the bait, find the fish. As soon as that bait jumped out.
Yeah, right?
That one's definitely smaller than the other one.
Greg. preferite da fare io è quando ci sono i miei amici in Italia che ci sono a Milano li mando un po'.
All right, that's good. All right, that's good. Pick your reel up and move it back to this rod holder. Right here. Put it here. All right. Oh yeah, he's still there. Small. All right, go. That's good right there, right there, right there. Shit! Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Nice! Watch out. Let me have the rod. Watch your feet, dude. You got sandals on. That one will take your toes off too. That one's worse than the barracuda. I should have gaffed him. I thought he was smaller than that, and then he came to the boat and he got bigger. If I would have gaffed him, he would have been. That's good eating right there. That's kingfish.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, questo è buono, porco Dio. Is it the same as the one?
Good job, man. Good eats.
Great.
Kingfish. Sweet. Right. Right. Kingfish and a cuda.
Change, you know I'm on.
That's bait. Come on. Let's go. That thing's little, dude. Look, you're just skipping it across the water.
Keep going, bro.
That bird's gonna catch it before you catch it.
No. Faster, bro.
Come on, man.
But use those arms,
Does this guy play sports? No? Not at all?
It's not a fish.
You need to get in the gym, bro. Come on, let's go.
He's being
Why is it left-handed? Oh,
I told you, bro. This is the United States, bro. That's all we sell.
Give it to us.
what is it?
Keep going, bro. Pull that shit.
It's a monster, bro. Look at it. Huge. Huge. You're gonna have to mount that for sure. I'm gonna write you up when you get it in here. What's going on the wall?
What is it?
Go!
Bro, where is it?
Bro, why do you care? You want it on the boat. You don't give a fuck if it's on the boat.
Oh, is it over there?
Yes, bro.
Ah, bro, you don't fucking fish.
It's fine. Still a fish.
All right, hold him out to the outside of that other rod. Yeah, there we go. Look, man, you caught something for your fish tank. It's perfect.
Oh, that shit's small.
All right, let's see what. Yep. It's a little bonita. Yeah. A little
It's a tuna.
A little bonita. Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Hold it.
It's fucking alive, man. Oh, fuck, it's breathing on me.
Toss him.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
Huh?
Keep it?
What do you want to keep it for?
Oh, fuck!
So small.
Everybody get in there. Come on, cheeseburger.
Awesome.
Thank you, buddy.
Alright guys, as you can see, caught some fish. That was charter number 1. That was a little 3-hour charter. We got a nice king, cuda, a few bonitas. I think I pulled off a sail, not sure. But like I said, it was only a 3-hour charter. Had 4 guys. Everybody got to reel in on fish. Everybody's happy. Everything was caught on that number 4 planer, and that pink and white Zoom witch skirt by Gulfstream. I don't know, it's one of my favorites, one of my go-to. I always run it on my number 4. I run it on it's my furthest one out. Always gets eaten. Caught the cuda and the kingfish. Number 6 planer down with a purple skirt on it for that wahoo. 3 hours, nothing touched it. But was a successful day, and now I'm waiting on charter number 2 to show up.